Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Dinugrash Ahmad from class 12 Science 5. In this video, I will show you a tutorial on how to convert YouTube video from MP4 to MP3 format. Okay, the first step you have to do is open the YouTube apps. Then find the YouTube video that you want to convert to MP3 format. If you have found it, then you select the share option which is here. Search the copy link. After that, open the Google, search MP3 and open the website. Paste the link and leave in the column. Then enter and wait until the process is complete. Finally, click download. Okay, that's the tutorial for me. Thank you.